off, everyone. Welcome to beautiful Samoa. My name is Hughie.
My name is Young Sefa.
And you're watching Tafaoga.
Coming up on today's show.
Today we're going hiking. We tried to get to the summit of Nuutele Island before sundown.
And if Sefa makes it back alive, we're back in the water to explore some coral life with a little bit of snorkeling.
For our first adventure, because we've done the famous Robert Louis Stevenson hike in Vailima 1,000 times, we decided to try something different and drive east from the capital towards Alibata district.
And then from the village of Satitoa, we'll take a boat to the secluded island of Nuutele.
Was that one? Or was that one?
That one.
They're both islands, so
yeah.
That was a good guess.
Morning, gentlemen.
Morning.
Hello. Hello, lover. Hughie, nice to meet you. How are we going? Ford. Like the Ranger are.
Harrison Ford.
Oh, Harrison Ford. Yeah, I can see it, yeah. So this is our boat this morning, is it?
Yep.
Fantastic. All right, man. Do you get seasick?
Nope.
Nope. Are you sure?
Seasick? Are you kidding? The ocean chose me, baby.
I
think I might have enjoyed our last show, Kuka, a little bit too much.
I agree.
All aboard!
Now, you don't really think about it, but because thousands of tourists and visitors swarm to Aganoa Beach every year, the island is actually a familiar sight from the coast, but very few people have ventured across to visit it.
That's right, Huey. I'm excited to see what the other side of the island looks like. And it seems the turtles are pretty excited too. Don't go beyond the reef, little one. You see the line where the sky meets the sea? It calls me.
Yeah, okay. Malo lava moana, lala mai lalo.
You're welcome.
So the journey across to Nuutele was a bit rougher than we expected, but hey, it's all part of the experience, right?
Is that land I see? Oh, thank goodness.
I don't think we've ever been happy to set foot on dry land. The trip was a journey in itself, but I'm glad we made it because this place is stunning.
And we're going to go check out all the seabirds on the top of the island.
Yes.
Let's get ready for a hike. Let's go.
Now there's still some trekking before we even get to the bottom of the climb, and no one's been here for a while, so there's no visible tracks.
Okay, our mission for today is to climb to the top of Nuutele, breathe in the view and fresh air, and then make our descent all the way down the other side of the island.
But before we do, time for a little snack Samoan style. This is a coconut, and when you open it up, when it's been fully matured in the nut, you get something like this.
So you just need a rock to open it up, like this. Oh, look at that.
Hey, look at the skill of the guy.
And if you look inside, you can see the o'o.
Okay.
In English, it's called o'o, and
And it's super sweet, really nice. This is all the nutrients that the young plant has to grow. It's amazing. It's like coconut sponge. It tastes great. Super nutritious snack. It's going to help us get to the top of the island. Alright guys, one of the really cool things about being on Nuutele Island is that no one's actually taken a group on here for quite a while. So as you can see, it's just packed with all this dense, lush forest. And it's pretty special for us to be on here, right?
yeah, there are pigs and chickens here, so I think we're settled for lunch.
Alright, lunch is all sorted out.
Voila, look at that, Huey. We're slowly going up.
We're under some pretty beautiful canopy, but it is warm, so pray for us.
Yes,
and,
wish us luck.
Yeah.
Oh, wait.
Lunga maunga fafulu maka la 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 la. Okay, man, we got about 15 minutes to the top now, so let's just keep on charging up.
Now I'm used to hiking up Robert Louis Stevenson Trail.
Don't lie to me.
I lied to you. But that is literally a walk in the park compared to this hike.
Oh man, come on. It's hot, it's steep, but it's pretty beautiful. So we're just gonna keep on going. And yeah, the top's gonna be amazing. So I'm looking forward to seeing where all the birds are. Hopefully we make it.
But he said, let's go.
At this point, my legs are barely holding up my frame, and I still don't see any birds.
Well, it's been a while and we've been climbing up Nuutele. We must find shelter and look for these bebelder bugs because I heard they're good in nutrients. But move on, Hughie. I can't breathe. Trying to catch my breath. Oh man, let's go. Okay, sorry.
Let's go. Yes guys, we made it to the top of Nuutele. We're going around looking for the best spots for bird watching. We haven't seen a lot, but you know, sorry, hey!
Check it out, man, look what I found. Okay, so yeah, like Sefa was saying, we didn't find many birds, but there is a lot of life on Nuutele, including these guys. Now this is a coconut crab, or in Samoan,
Ooh, that's right.
This coconut crab, nearly as old as me. So, what, 21, 22?
They climb the tree, bring down the coconut, then they tear it up. That's right, those two bad boys in the front, oh, they're pretty dangerous.
These claws are strong enough to rip your finger in half. So these gentle giants, if you leave them alone, they just walk around friendly, happy as Larry. So we're going to put him back in a little bit.
Wait, Abby, take him back to his house.
Yeah. Okay.
Get away from my face. Don't do it.
Do you want to hold him?
No, don't. So I could
No, leave him there. We'll put him back on his way.
Did you know that is the largest anthropod in the world?
Where'd you learn the word anthropod?
Google.
Yeah. Oh, Sefa, check this out, my friend.
Be careful, bro.
Check this out. Yeah, be careful. Oh, wow, this is amazing.
Look at that. Wow.
Okay, so from up here you can see a whole lot of different seabirds. You've got the pectorals, the tavae, the, what was the Samoan bird? Akafa. So the akafas around here, they all nest on these big rocks overlooking the sea. We're basically just at their flight level because we're so high up now.
Great job, bro.
Hey man, way to get out and about. So we can take a look here. Now, if you are a bird watcher and if you do enjoy looking at the different types of birds in Samoa, we've got lots of different bird books that you can bring along. You can take a look at all the different kind of tropical birds that are around here, all the seabirds that are around, like the frigates. Just, you know, this will help you just have another look and just take a bit more seriously your bird watching.
Who the hell brings a book on a hike?
In my honest opinion, this is definitely one of the jewels of the Samoan archipelago. But if you want to traverse over the island, it's probably not for the average hiker. It's no cakewalk. And trust me, I wanted cake.
Did someone say cake pig?
But for adventure tourists or cross-country athletes, this is high up on the recommended places to visit list.
All right, stay with us. We'll be back in Getting Wet after this important message.
Talofa, my name's Hughie.
And I'm Young Sefa.
We've been on some pretty amazing adventures all around Samoa, and wherever we go,
we always use the Samoa Travel Tracer.
Samoa's own COVID-19
contact tracing app.
It's an important digital tool that'll help contain
and stop the spread of COVID-19 in Samoa.
Simply download the app,
register, turn on your Bluetooth, and you're good to go.
The app uses Bluetooth to trace other app users
who come into close contact with each other.
If an app user becomes infected with COVID-19,
or you were in close contact with an app user who is infected with COVID-19,
the Ministry of Health will request user consent
to upload their close contact data.
And there's no need to worry, all data is securely stored on the STT online server.
And is only accessed and used by authorized health personnel.
For the sole purpose of contact tracing
and keeping Samoa safe.
The Tracer app will collect only your mobile number,
not your name or address, so don't worry.
So please use the app
and keep beautiful Samoa safe!
Welcome back to Tafaoga. Our next adventure takes us from the capital to the south of Upolu via Cross Island Road to Coconuts Beach Resort in Siumu.
Then we take a boat across Siumu Bay from Coconuts Beach Resort to the secluded Black Sand Beach in Aganoa.
right, guys, let's go get wet.
Woo!
All right, so this reef has a whole lot of green sea turtles, and they're not actually green on the outside. It's what used to happen when they got cooked. People would see they were green on the inside. Fortunately, that doesn't happen much anymore, so we can observe these guys in nature, and then they're going to be nice and safe.
There it is, guys. The green sea turtles. Oh, they're so beautiful. On the other side, Hughie. Vai pa lumakong warva. Wait a minute.
Oh man, how cool was that?
Awesome, bro.
My gosh, there are green turtles everywhere here in the reef at Manoa. And also Neil from Manoa Tours is telling us these guys can live to 70 or 80 years old and get to the width of the boat.
Yeah.
Which is pretty incredible if you think about it. I am loving right
There's
now.
another one.
Hey, check it out, check it out. Man, that's incredible. Look at that.
So we're here at the famous Aganoa Beach. This is where we're going to be going out to snorkel. But Hughie and Sole, bro, it's just so peaceful. It's just majestic here. I just want to... This is the place to be. Neil was telling us lots of people come here to propose. I think this is the spot for me. First, they got to find the king though.
Okay, I'm really happy you said that you've got to find a king because I got a little nervous there for a second. I was
Get
just
out
like,
of here.
Wait, hold on.
Push you over.
Hold on, Sefa. All right, it's time to go. We're gonna go explore our own private beach. So, are you ready, Sefa?
Let's go. Let's go.
All right, man, let's get into it.
I'll be honest, this is the first time snorkeling for fun. Most times it's to catch dinner, but this is nice, just to observe and take in nature's awesomeness.
Well, it is absolutely stunning. We are the only two people in this beautiful beach. The water is still, it's crystal clear, absolutely beautiful. We're gonna go down and explore a bit more of this coral. See you on the other side.
Now, climate change is a factor and it is changing the reef's ecosystem, but we are doing everything we can to make sure that we keep our reefs healthy and safe for people to enjoy for generations.
Woohoo!
All right, man, yes.
First Faafetai, man, that was awesome. Whew. Just so we... Sabali Bali means go for a walk. Tala means too much talk. I love Faafetai means I love you. Take it easy, Faafetai, let me.
Come on, let's get out of there. Ooh, look at this. Neil, your nuts are amazing.
I can't believe it. Is it real?
What a day! All right, guys, well, we are done. We made it back in one piece, up and down Nuutele, and it was a fantastic hike. Definitely challenging though, right?
It was.
Man.
Felt like giving up halfway, but I thought, nah, not for the people.
Well, I'm glad you did. I didn't want to have to tell your family about how I left you up there. But no, it was amazing. Look, if you want to try something a little bit different, that's definitely a bucket list hike for Samoa. We had an awesome time doing it. It's been a good day.
But until next time, this is Tafaoga. Kau kakak Eli. Coming today.
Yeah, man, we've got a few more good episodes coming up, so stick with us. We'll see you guys soon.